Benjamin. You okay, baby? You done fixing everyone? It's your turn.
They got used to that yes, now they hear that no. I was on that railroad when it was time to pass go. Play the dark corner, just so they can glow. Kept the cards close, and for putting on the show, yeah, it's time to let it go. No more meddling with folks, it was better when it was broke. Where did the peddling go? We was heckling with jokes, I was channeling with ghosts. Just left a wormhole, playing checkers with my bro. This is alright, arms like Cartwrights. Niggas no chance nice, don't start a bar fight. Left me for dead right, I could've got us all life. Still good, but we separated like apartheid. I'm one of them, but there ain't a gun on him. Snap like a Kango hat, strap on the shoulder like a Kurt Angle match. With the mango Mac, with a bango black. The stain on your hat, with the gang, but I ain't going back to that gray blanket with the mat. Because niggas can't take where I'm at. I really slang crack, compost Subaru. You out of bounds, nigga, I was out of town too. Now I'm not around you. Villain never chillin' like I finally found boo in Pound Town in round 2. Not true, nigga fresh out of glue. I ain't fixing up nothing, I'm left without a clue. Had to get out of the new, made my bed out in the zoo. With my mama from Tompkins, I'm calm round the monsters. Alarm or snooze, ex-feeding for the D. Said get the B&B, we don't speak, sell it on D&D. 3 cap and gowns, he ain't coming back around, believe me. I don't even know why he still rapping now, it's easy. Fuck about ice, I was patting down, niggas running these streets. Shit don't even matter now, feeling like G-Man. Whore can't get around a boy unless she master the skull for the He-Man. Bitch ain't getting dick, that's how it get on D-Man. No new pics, nigga working on a rebrand. Got my business on the weekends, I freelance. Cup of tea scheming on future with the free bands. Stupid talking politics when I'm about freedom. Pussy go grab a politician and beat him. Running to the pole, should be running with the pole. Ain't never walk with a picket sign, not a hoe. They keep moving the post. You talking about goals, you want views from a post. I'm with people in the know.